Here's Gino Recchia.
Quite cooler today, and also we had a few rain showers that turned over to snow showers, and it was just quite of a gloomy day out there. Temperatures were above freezing though, so that did prevent any snowfall accumulation, but any more moisture pretty much just makes the situation worse. Thankfully, it wasn't a whole lot after the system departed the area. We have flood warnings in effect for areas along and south of Highway 29, and then 8 areas where there are river flood warnings. So we're going to go through them. The first one is the Embarrass River above flood stage, seeing some minor flooding, lowland flooding. There's Embarrass right there. The second river is the Little Wolf River in Wapaka County near Royalton, where we have about 5.6 feet is the current stage. The forecast is to reach 7 feet, so lowland flooding as well. Down in the Fox River around Berlin and Princeton in Green Lake County, a flood warning for the time being should be continuing to rise just a little bit, reaching at about 14.5 feet and then dropping down. The south branch of the Rock River in Waupun in southern Fond du Lac County anticipating lowland flooding as well. They're over 2 feet above the flood stage. Then we'll scoot over to Sheboygan County. The Sheboygan River right now near 13 feet. It's actually less than what it was in the last 12 hours, so that's good news. It does look like it'll be continuing to drop as we go into the weekend. Same thing for the Manitowoc River in Manitowoc. Still seeing some lowland flooding across that area from Manitowoc to Clark's Mills. But as we go into the weekend, continuing to drop. Kewaunee County, same thing. Kewaunee River under a flood warning for the time being. The flood stage is 14 feet. They're currently seeing about 15.7 feet. And then back in the Green Bay area, a lot of headaches in Brown County. The East River causing a lot of roads to be closed above flood stage. The last report was 16 feet yesterday evening and has not reported since. Perhaps the sensor may have washed away. Now, radar is showing that we do have a few flurries continuing to move in from the west and northwest. That is going to slowly diminish as we go into the overnight as the atmosphere starts to stabilize. Still a little bit of instability. We have a weak cold front that's passing through the area. Behind it, some of the colder air advecting and really causing the instability. But you see in Skycast by the evening and overnight, that pretty much breaks down. And by tomorrow morning, we will be seeing more sunshine than cloud cover. So a nice start to the weekend. A little bit on the cooler side, but at least we're starting to talk a little positive out there. Temperatures in the mid and upper 30s right now. We will be dropping down into the 20s overnight tonight, especially considering the clouds are going to gradually clear. 22 for an overnight low temperature. Winds out of the west at 10 to 15 miles per hour. A little bit less of a breeze tomorrow. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. High of 36. Winds out of the west at 5 to 15 miles per hour. It will be a little warmer on St. Patrick's Day. High of 38 degrees. Mostly sunny. A little bit more cloud cover on Monday. But what you also notice is take a look at these gradual warming trends as we go into the middle and the second half of the work week. Back up into the 50s. So what we do want is a gradual decrease in the snow melt. Obviously, everything kind of went all at once, but at least now, hopefully with that being over, we have some more spring-like weather.
Really talk to Mother Nature about moderation.
Yeah,
Would
probably
really
good teaching lesson.
Thanks, Gino.